the only thing. She is a 10-year-old self-taught artist who is already selling her work. Thank you very much. I think Mom is her agent. Okay. Jaedonae Robinson joins me now with her mom, Julia Johnson. Over there. Hi, ladies. Good morning, Jaedonae.
Good morning.
How are ya?
Good.
It's so good to meet you. So you are a self-taught artist.
No.
I was asking, no? What do you mean no? You're not self-taught?
No.
What are you?
I don't know.
You're a self-taught artist?
Somebody taught me.
You know, right, which means that you have it yourself, right? That's what we mean when we say self-taught. Yes, man, mash it up. I was talking to you outside, Jaedonae, and I was asking you how you learned to do this, right?
Yeah.
And you said one day you just put pen to paper, and how long you been drawing?
I don't know.
You must know. From you were a little tiny tot?
No.
Or just the other day?
I don't know. Like,
What?
I like 8 years old.
What do you like about drawing? Let me ask you that.
I like the peace and joy of it, the colors, everything. And then when I'm painting it, it's like I'm not painting it. It's like I'm picturing it. I'm in it. Sitting down, looking at the sunset and the sky.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Does it relax you?
Yeah.
Does it make you happy?
Yeah.
Does it make you feel like you're escaping into a nice, beautiful place where you can just think and be calm?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Mommy, when did she start doing this?
She started at the age of 8. It was one day I was home during COVID, and she was in her room and she was drawing, and I took her book up, and when I look, I was saying that she did not draw this just now, and she said, yes,
What
Mommy.
was it that she drew?
I think it was the anime stuff, yes, and she drew some other cars and stuff. And I was saying that you did not draw this, because I was like, I was stunned at the whole thing, and I started posting it on my social media. And I think one of my friends, Kyle, saw it and said, why not let she paint? And then...
So who's artistic? You or Daddy? Nobody? None of you?
No one.
So this is
Our dad is a barber. He does
he's creative with his hands
yes,
too.
Yes.
But this is clear. This is straight from God. This
Yes.
comes straight out of her, because she doesn't know how she does it. And when you talk about like how you feel when you do it, it's just incredible. I watched the TikTok when she put this one together.
Yes.
And I just sat there and I was like, this is crazy. Like,
And that's where she went viral on TikTok.
Yes. I saw it. I guess that's how I saw it. So how long does a piece, how does it start? Do you just like, you sit there and you feel like, okay, I want to paint something, and then you just get the colors and it just comes out? Tell me how it works when you feel like you want to paint. What happens from there?
I like...
Let me answer. She's a bit shy.
Yes.
She started off with like watching videos.
Yes, watching
And
videos.
then
On YouTube?
yes, she
And
watched a lot
then
of videos.
I started painting it with my feel, how I feel
Right.
over then.
Right. So if you're happy, you paint differently from when you're feeling sad? Okay, so let's talk about some of these pieces that are here then. This was obviously a happy painting.
Yes.
Yes? And so how long did this one take you to do?
Like an hour.
This one?
Yes.
Small Jamaican one? Wow.
All of them is less than an hour an hour.
3 hours, 4 hours, I don't know.
Yes. It's an hour, because I always
Monitor and watch her.
yes.
Yeah. I want to know about this place. Jaedonae, take me to this place. What were you feeling on this day?
Joyful
You were feeling joyful.
and smart.
And smart. So this feel just came out of nowhere. You said sometimes you feel like you're in it. So you'll be somewhere here just looking on, like you want to run through the fields, and these colors are so
big place.
nice. See, it matches Auntie's fingernail today too. And this place, tell me about this place. How are you feeling on that too?
Orange, pale,
Here.
and enjoyable.
Yes. Okay, nice escapes. On this day, you felt like you wanted to be at the beach.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we never went on the beach like a year ago, like
Mommy
2 years ago.
is a message. Mommy.
No, it was all of these.
You
You
never
know,
go.
I don't know. It just seemed like as though we are shocked. That's how I am too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a gift. It's a gift. And this one, I love this one, Jaedonae.
It's just like that one. How about
Like
pale
this one.
orange and pale?
Wow. So you're good with very like outdoors. Do you paint anything else other than landscapes? And is there anything else you like to paint? Like what?
Like,
You paint people?
no,
No.
not yet.
Okay. What else do you like to paint?
I do like to paint a lot of sunset, but I would say I like to paint moon stuff, like the nighttime stuff and the dark trees and everything. I like to paint those as well.
Buildings,
No.
animals,
Yeah. No.
cars.
Yeah.
Cars?
Yes. I
Yes,
draw the
cars.
car.
Cars. You draw cars?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Wish you had brought some of your car drawings with you. So you're just going to keep putting her stuff out on social. She's already making sales.
Yes, and she wants me about her money. Mommy, I want you
Oh,
for
wow.
her.
Can you say, is
Yeah.
that thing? Is that thing? So just, Jaedonae, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A vet, but more like an artist.
So you can be both. Did you know that you can be both?
No.
Of course. You don't have to be one or the other of anything. You can be every single thing that you want to be in this life.
That's
So you
really
can go and do your veterinary studies, and then you can put up your artwork on the wall. When your customers come in with their pets, you say, "Hi, can I interest you in a piece of art? I did this, right?" So you
Yeah.
put the two business together, and you make a lot of money.
And that's what I thought. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember this piece of advice Auntie Sim gave you. Where do we find more of her work? Because you say you put it on your socials.
You can find her Jaedonae Robinson Hart on Instagram,
Instagram.
and she's on YouTube as well at
She's on
Jaedonae
Twitter.
and Jude Robinson. And my TikTok, and because she had a TikTok and they banned it, so I put it on mine. It's at Jessie Jules. You can find her there. That's where Shelita find
Mommy, was
her.
I on Twitter?
No, Jade.
You're never on Twitter, miss. There is no Twitter for you. So you teaching anybody how to do this? You teach mommy, you teach daddy?
No.
It's about your friends.
She actually showed me one time. It was so hard.
Yes,
Very
that's why I'm
hard.
telling you it's a gift. Because she can explain it, you can explain it. That's called a gift. That's
Yeah.
coming straight from the source. You should start putting on classes too.
I was thinking
Especially
about
for
it, but
kids
I
her
don't know
age.
how to do it.
All right, we could talk when the interview. Self-taught artist Jaedonae Robinson and her mom, Julia Johnson, here with us this morning. Good job, little one. After school you go. Okay, have a great day. Thank you, Mommy, for
You
being
too.
here this
Thank
morning.
you very much.
After the break, folks, something to smile about, Sahurli? All right, that's next. Soon come.